Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher is a program that enables Microsoft to work with large refurbisher to license genuine software and refurbish computer for commercial market.
OPENPINOY started selling MER products since 2012 with Windows 7. We partnered with Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher. In 2016, we started production of MER with Windows 10.
MarOS is affordable compared to full retail version of operating system. It is most cost-effective to have a genuine operating system pre-installed on the laptop or desktop. Refurbished laptop or desktop will both the original certificate of authenticity that came affixed to the laptop or desktop. When it was newly purchased and specially designed Windows COA for refurbished laptop and desktop.
We give a 1-year warranty for the refurbished laptop and desktop with MarOS. Compare without MarOS, we only give 9 months warranty.
As a Microsoft Authorized Refurbisher, we must operate using approved standards and practices.
Consumers will have same features of a full retail version of operating system when they purchase a laptop or desktop with MarOS.
Refurbished laptop and desktop must be erased of prior data, dated as needed, or replacement of components. Tested and has genuine Microsoft Windows 10 installed on it. So it's ready for a new owner.